What's the meaning of Audit Commission? Audit Commission. Audit Commission.
Audit Commission. Audit Commission. The Audit Commission is a public body in the United Kingdom responsible for ensuring that taxpayers' money is being spent appropriately by local authorities and other public bodies. It performs audits and investigates instances of financial mismanagement or fraud. The Commission was abolished in 2015, with its responsibilities transferred to other bodies. Its legacy includes improvements in financial accountability and transparency in the public sector, as well as identifying and addressing instances of misuse of public funds.